Hey, this video is about the first application of winter. I can't believe it's winter already, and this is looking really nice for winter. We'll put some applications down after giving it a cut and get it really going for winter. And the oval's going to get its grass in like 5 days' time, and we've got to really look at some of the things and get this fixed properly. We'll explain later in the video. Really had to rush my mow and everything else that I had to do with this lawn. It's quite a late little start that I had because I had Heidi's birthday party to attend to, and I couldn't miss that one for sure. This is a 2-inch cut and it's done both ways, and it's looking really nice entering winter, even though I haven't done a few applications because I haven't been able to get to the stuff that I need to get to because there's other workers doing other work, and yeah, it's all blocked off, so I can't get to it. This area I like doing a cross cut, and it's just coming up really nice. So all the areas got the same treatment. They got a cut, and then they got a treatment of humic hero acid. Didn't have the moist, unfortunately, so I would have tank mixed that if I did have it. But look, the hero is going to do really well for us and really help with our soil health and let the lawn accept the nutrients a lot better. And straight after putting that application down, I put down the 4 seasons, slow release nitrogen and potassium, and there's also some iron in there to help the colour, and this will really give this lawn a boost going into the winter months. All the lawns got the same treatment. After I put this 4 seasons down, it was all watered in, but didn't film that. Okay, so to the oval, it's going to get grass on the 9th of June, and I've been told that, the irrigation's fixed and it's all ready to go and it's all even and everything's sweet. Well, I made sure I checked it today, and look, it's certainly not even at all. It's leaving a lot of areas. It's a lot of adjustment that needs to be done. Now, I know how to do this, but look, it's the school's decision, so I'm just going to let them decide if they're going to get the people that installed it to fix it, or they're going to get me to fix it. But as you can see, this is not going to wet the area. Basically, the area that's got the sandy loam there, the darker stuff, is where the lawn is going to be. We're only doing a 2,500 square meter area at the moment, and we're going to extend that to 4,000 square meters. Basically, you can sort of see the outside line there, but it's not very clear. But that's how big it's going to be. First, we're just going to be looking at this area and just making sure that we can manage this area before we go on a bit further and extending it. And depending on funds, it'll be extending it with either sod or doing like stolinisation, just taking bits and taking it to grow. So you can see that the pattern that we've got here is certainly not suitable. And look, we're only 5 days or so, 5 or 6 days away, should I say, from laying the sod. So yeah, look, we really have to get on top of this. So I was really pushing the envelope. Obviously, it's getting dark now. I just thought I'd glyphosate the edge of the oval because there is a bit of weed action there. And going to the sandy loam area, that's looking pretty good. We're not getting much weeds or anything like that. There is a little bit of common cooch in there, which I glyphosated out, and I didn't film that, unfortunately. But yeah, just doing as much as I can with the limited time that I've got, and just doing the best that I can for this oval. But all in all, I think it'll come together really well, and you'll really like the next video that I put out, and it'll be all systems go from there. It's been a long time waiting, and I'm just really proud of the effort I've put into this, and I'm just glad that I've checked other people's work, because that irrigation was going to be an absolute disaster if that's what they were going to do. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and wish me luck, and get your lawn on.